equation. So x equals 18 is the solution to the equation x over 1.2 equals 15. All right. Now, it is that time. Okay, friends. Our friend is coming along. It is the pause dragon. It is now time to pause and work out. Check it out, example 1A, 1B, and 1C, okay? When you get done with those, go ahead and unpause and come back, and let's see if you got them right. All right, see you in a bit. All right, we are back. Hopefully you have all those 3 problems, A, B, and C, complete, and we're going to check them and see if you're right. Okay, we are trying to get M by itself. Right now there's a 9.1. We need to isolate M. Okay, we need to get rid of the 9.1. How is 9.1 related to M? It's related to M through addition, so we need to do the inverse operation, which would be subtraction of 9.1 to both sides. Okay, 9.1 minus 9.1 is 0, cancels out, we're left with M equals. All right, so we have 3 minus 9.1. 3 is positive, 9 is negative. So what we have is we have a positive and a negative, and the signs are different. So what we need to do is we need to take the difference between 9.1 and 3. What is it? Okay, so I'm just going to go 9.1 minus 3 on my little scratch paper here. Okay, I'm going to borrow because the 1 is not big enough. And this is an 8, and we have 11 minus 3, which is 8.8. All right, so that's the difference between 9.1 and 3 is 8.8. Now what I'm going to ask myself is, which number is bigger? Is 9.1 bigger or is 3 bigger? Well, 9.1 is definitely bigger. And what's the sign of 9.1? 9.1 is negative. What that means is that my answer is going to be negative. So there we go. We have M equals negative 8.8. But now we need to check our answer. So we are going to write the original equation, M plus 9.1. This is what you need to have on your paper every single time. When we're doing equations, we are checking by hand. Okay, write the original equation every single time. And then we are going to figure out when M, evaluate from when M equals negative 8.8. Perfect. Let's substitute it in. Instead of writing M, I'm writing negative 8.8. So negative 8.8 plus 9.1 equals 3. Okay, here we go. Negative 8.8 plus 9.1. Negative 8.8, that is negative. 9.1 is positive. We have a negative and a positive, and so the signs are different. When the signs are different, we take the difference. So we're going to take the difference of the 2. I'm going to put the bigger number on top, so 9.1. I'm going up to my scratch paper here. 9.1 minus 8.8. Okay, I'm going to find the difference of the 2. So I'm going to borrow from the 9, make that 8, and I get 11 minus 8, which is 0.3. 8 minus 8 is 0. So the difference between these two is is 0.3. Point 3 is not the same thing as 3. What happened?